Can't have no lazy fingers, man. But anyway, this is how it goes. Just straight up, okay? Continuance on the tuba, All About You. Okay. See? So, you can play it both ways, right? When you get down here as a resolve, right? You go. So you would go instead of, and then from A to C sharp to E, you would just go from C sharp to E to the octave. But anyway, I just wanted to make a correction on that because it was sounding so bad, so raggedy. I'm like, man, what are you doing? But it's G, G, B, D, G, then back to G, then back to G, then B, right? Yeah. See that? Did you see that? I don't mind taking my time with you. You know, the rest of the world be going so fast. They can't remember when they was doing that same thing. But now don't worry about them now. Don't worry about them. Worry about you now. You get, as long as you get it, when you get it, it's when you really want it and you don't, you just be patient, sit down. You can get your turn. As long as you get it. See, you got to get your fingers right, see? See, that's the resolve right there. Go from C sharp, or you could say E flat, to E, or D flat. C sharp, D flat, to E, then A, because that's where it started, right? Then back to G. And back here. You can hit the E and hammer on it. Hit G twice. And that's how you spank them. You dig? More love back at you to clean up that mess that I made a little bit earlier with that beat. You see, I show you how to just chop that head off. Talking about, you can't do this. The hell they giggling and shit. Sabotaging your shit. And all the time, all you got to do is write that shit down. Next thing you know, they be talking all that shit, and you know, you got your money down already. They taking bets. When you get done, you knock the Neptunes out the ass like What's your main man name? Jay-Z. Knock knock all they little coins out. Blow. Give it up. Fuck you get for talking that shit. You come back and you smooth that shit up like, look. And then they had a nigga be like, no, wait a minute, I caught them. I still no, you didn't. You were so confident I wasn't gonna be able to do it. So you said I ain't even gonna catch them. I ain't even gonna catch them. You didn't put your hand in shit. Then you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm trying to tell you. Listen, you stick with who you go out places, kid. Why should I lie to you? You think I lie to you? Why would I lie to you? See, the whole time you got to, you see. Look, let me explain something to you. Many people know me, right? A lot of people know me up in the Cornhusker state. Most of them people that left the Cornhusker, they left way back in 1980 something, and from 1979 to man, a lot of niggas, they either real quiet, either they died or they left. That's what I'm talking about. Them folks know me as two-time. Ah ha ha! I'm in the backfield on your dirty ass for you know it. That quarterback eyes is this big. Yeah, that part. Boy, that's too late. Boy, I done popped your goddamn nose guard, shoved that motherfucker over there somewhere. I'm in the backfield. By the time they come on around there and you finally discover that they coming on that side, guess who looking you in your face, boy? Brother! Nigga, I'm two-ton. Well, you better ask Keith Jones, my nigga who I am, my nigga who I miss. You better ask a real motherfucker Cornhusker nigga who I miss, boy. On your ass. Boy. I tell you. And on offense, boy, it'd be a smorgasbord. Should I go this way or, oh, fuck it. I'm going to go back this way. The whole time you got all that, you serving them. You dig what I'm saying? You serve them on this side, you serve them on this side. They can't get in. You understand? Just back your back. You might have an elbow in your throat. And you steady trying to get in your helmet all up in the air, your bird cage up in the air. There you got that elbow up in your throat. Why? Because you trying to get in. You better ask somebody that know. You better ask Keith Jones. You better ask Bucky Holland. You better ask Roy Stark. Let me tell you something, boy. That's the backfield. You understand? I'm the motherfucking guard. I'm security guard on the line. You offensive line, son. You better ask them who covered their ass all the time. Me. That's who. You remember that name for the rest of your livings. I'm his two-ton. Cadillac Daddy Lee. Uncle Pie-Ho. Uncle Buggy. Bugs Buggy. You dig? That's me. Folks that really know me. Some real motherfucking numbers to call. You dig what I'm saying? You understand? Some real numbers. But you understands me, boy. So I'm his boy. Goddamn, boy. Goddamn, boy. I'm two-ton, boy. Goddamn, boy. I'm that. I'm him. I'm that nigga. Boy. Yes, that part. That way. More love, more bounce. Daddy Lee, you understand me? Cadillac Daddy Lee, you understand me? Seldom, you understand? Cadillac. You dig? And I'm out this bitch. No, I'm just fucking with y'all. But no, with that, I'm out this bitch part. I'm just fucking with y'all with that. But I ain't fucking with y'all. I am the original, the one and only 2-ton. You dig? And it's real motherfuckers that know me. Know damn well you need to shut your. You start talking about me. You need to shut your fucking pie hole. You shut your fucking pie hole. You know why? Because I'm the original Uncle Pie Hole. Why? Because I love the women. I love women to death. And they know it. Why? Because they could be down on their luck in front of the store, the grocery store, selling pie. And nigga like, I don't want that goddamn pie and walk in the store. I'm the nigga that go ahead and say, how much you want for a little slice of your pie? I'll help you out what you got going on. And I come off work, I'll be dusty in a motherfucker. I take a slice of your pie. Every damn day, probably as long as you here, I take a slice. And then some unknown character roll up talking about, man, I get more slices of that pie than you. Oh, yeah? Well, you know, today, I had my mouth fixed for a whole pie. I had my mouth fixed as Monty, my cousin Monty would say. I had my mouth fixed. Yeah. Fixed. I had my mouth fixed with some of that pie. A whole pie today. So I'm finna get a pie. She ain't got but too many. Well, how many pies you gonna get, my nigga? Listen, bring out your guap. Be like, man, that's one of them pies right there. You gonna get 2 to my 1? Well, guess what? I'm buying 4 of them pies right now. What you gonna do? Ain't but 8 of them left. What you gonna do? Man, shit. And throw a whole one down there and give me all the rest of them pies. 8 pies. She got her money. He got them pies. He said, now what you gonna do? What you gonna do? He said, shit, wait a minute. What was that agreement? That every day I was gonna come get a slice of pie from you. I will have just that one piece of slice of pie. I'll even give you extra for that. Oh man, you made me buy all these pies. Yeah, you touched it. You know the policy on food. If you touched it, you bought it. Nigga, I'm 2-ton. You can't fuck with me, boy. Well, y'all, I'm gonna cut it loose, man. Go ahead and cut a rug. Get up in bright and early in the morning and enjoy some sunshine. You understand? Outside of the man cave. You dig? And that beat, I'll straighten it up for you and smooth it out. There you go. Enjoy that. You dig? Come back for some more, because you never know when I'm going to have a bass attack or Fit needs some therapy on the bass guitar. I'm Ismo Love. Come see me. I stands on my name, baby. I'm Ismo Love. You could have the most worst day in your life. Well, you might not be feeling, you gonna be okay. Let's just say you were feeling bad until you talk to me and I'll fix it a little bit. Tweak it just a little bit. You know, give you just enough. Come back and get some more. You need. I'm Ismo Love. This is my bass guitar. You was in the man cave. Down on the Delta Belt. Me playing my blues my way. And I shall return with some more bass.